Hello students, myself Dr. Sunil Rajoria from Chemical Engineering Department, MIT Meerut. In this lecture, I will discuss about the reuse of water and conservation of water. What we can do for water conservation and what we can reuse the water. The reuse water is the process of converting wastewater into water that can be reused for other purposes. This is called as recycled water also. Reuse many include irrigation of gardens and agricultural fields or replenishing surface water and groundwater. Reused water may also be directed toward fulfilling certain needs in residence, for example, toilet flushing, business and industries, and could even be treated to reach drinking water standards. This last option is called either direct potable reuse or indirect potable reuse, depending on the approach used. Reclaiming water for reuse applications instead of using fresh water supplies can be a water saving measure. When used water is eventually discharged back into natural water sources, it can still have benefits to ecosystems, improving stream flows, nourishing plant life, and recharging aquifers as part of natural water cycles. Wastewater reuse is a long established practice used for irrigation, especially in the arid countries. Reusing wastewater as a part of sustainable water management allows water to remain as an alternative water source for human activities. This can reduce scarcity and alleviate pressure on groundwater and other natural water bodies. Here we can see that there are some major points that can be used for the water conservation. Local communities water should take an active part in planning and implementing water management schemes if they are to be sustainable. Look for appliances that reduce water use, shower heads, dishwashers, washing machines, taps, and toilets with excellent water efficiency. Turn the tap off when you brush your teeth. Toilets are big water users. Use the full flush only when necessary. Installing flow regulators on kitchen and bathroom taps. Clean vegetables in a plugged sink rather than with the water running. Pool covers help to reduce evaporation. Use a bucket and not these pipes to wash your car. Use the water meter to check the hidden leaks. Now, in this lecture, I will tell you about the Water Conservation Day. So, Water Conservation Day is celebrated on 22nd of March. Water conservation includes all the policies, strategies, and the activities to sustainably manage the natural sources of fresh water, to protect the hydrosphere, and to meet the current and future human demand. Some factors such as climate change have increased pressure on natural water sources, especially in manufacturing and agricultural irrigations. Many countries have already implemented policies aimed at water conservation with much success. There are major goals of water conservation efforts includes: first one is the ensuring the availability of water for future generations, where the withdrawal of fresh water from an ecosystem does not exceed its natural replacement rate. And second one, energy conservation, as a water pumping, delivery, and wastewater treatment facilities consume a significant amount of energy. In some regions of world, over 15% of the total electricity consumption is devoted to the wet water management. And the last one is the habitat conservation, where minimizing human water use helps to preserve freshwater habitats for local wildlife and migrating water flows but also water quality. The water that leaks from aquaguard should be collected and could be used for the household works. So these are the various reuse and water conservation in these lectures I have discussed. Okay, thank you.